KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
We're here with the bidirectional control module for KD-MAX8x8. This is KeyDigital's 8x8 audio matrix with DSP. The DSP features are volume control, multi-band EQ, lip sync delay, muting control. You have essentially a 16x8 multiplexer in here, as each of your inputs has analog and digital, and your outputs can select those independently. So the product has a lot of sophisticated features, and our compass control module is going to allow you to give those to your end user in a really easy to operate interface. So let's go ahead and take a look at the control module for KD-MAX8x8. We'll take a look at our iPad screen here, and you have two columns, outputs and inputs. You can follow our module manual where you'll see how to name those outputs and inputs so that you can have customizations there. Now, each output not only shows you what you are viewing or listening to, rather, in the case of the audio matrix MAX8x8, but also volume levels and muting statuses, which are indicated on the front LED. As I manipulate that, it's going to slide to adjust and show me the updated values on the face of the unit there. As we take our slider and go up or down, we could see a LED status that's indicative of the percentage, 0 through 99 for volume, let's say, and muting status. And as we mute, it's going to be the bookend LEDs for that respective output. So for example, I can go to output number 5 here, and somewhere on towards the middle, we shall see that it is unmuted. However, if I mute, now those bookends are illuminated. Unmute, and adjusting the volume level. So there you have it, nice and easy with the bidirectional control module for MAX8x8, and allows you to drag and drop into Compass Navigator, and as a programmer makes that a very rich user environment.